Wow, today, one of those days where you just can't be wrong. I literally could not be wrong today. This morning, we laid out a perfect plan at open during the live stream, doing it all live on YouTube. I want to show you guys a little recap of what we talked about, everything from the open to the close, and well, not to close, but to when I was done. So we're gonna break it all down right here in this video, making it happen live on YouTube. Let's go. Watch and see what happens here at open at 70 level. Like I said, 60 is that key support. We need to hold 60 here for support for the bulls. I think there's a pretty good chance of trying to push back up to that VWAP at the 83 right now on the ES. You can see right now on the SPY here, we got this massive gap in the SPY. So I think if we can get squeeze in here, it'll be a pretty quick squeeze up here and try to fill that gap. There's that push through the 76s finally. If you're wondering, like, why didn't he tell me to buy? I said so many times this morning, if we get over 76s, we push to the 80s. I literally said, through the 76s, we go, whee! That was how I tell you to buy. Watching the time now, like I said, I want to get out of this before those numbers come out. Because the problem is, even if the numbers come out and the market goes up, it might just like drop down, stop me out, and do something stupid either way. So I would like to be flat before the numbers come out. Let's get this little squeeze. Up there, 86s or higher. Come on. Up to the 85s now, trying to push through there. Having trouble there at the 85s. On the Bookmap right now, that Bookmap showing the 85 resistance there. I'm gonna take 1,000 right there just to be done with it before those numbers come out. Don't want to risk it. $1,000 on the day right now. That's still a pretty decent trade from the 74s there to the 81s. Hey, if you guys want to learn more about trading futures, you want to get into trading futures, I'm telling you right now, Top Step, there's a link down below. You want to learn more. They have a free trial. You can get into the Top Step Combine and then get into a funded account and start making some real money as a futures trader through the Top Step program. It really did help me a lot to have rules for the first time in my entire trading career, having rules to focus on, to follow, and then having to, you know, become consistent following those rules, being disciplined. It's a big change when you actually have to follow somebody else's rules. So if you want to learn more, there's a link down below. Check out Top Step. Let's get back into the live action. So we did fill the gap. We filled the gap here. So now it's kind of the question of, do we start to pull back here? We filled the gap perfectly there on the SPY. I mean, literally, like, you couldn't have, like, this setup couldn't have played out any better. The first 30 minutes, first hour, basically, we just pushed up to that, fill that gap. Guys, I'll tell you one thing right now. Being the market, the SPY, the ES, the SPY, whatever it is, like, when this whole idea of something being overextended, it's not like it doesn't exist, right? Like, the market's gonna move where it's gonna move. Like, when something's overextended because it's like, oh, on the big time frames it's overextended, like, this is not overextended. Like, if you look at the 15-minute chart, like, how is this overextended? We pushed back up, we filled this whole gap here, then we turn the view off. This isn't overextended. This is just a beautiful pullback. Like that, like, there's nothing overextended about this. It's bullshit. Well, on the hourly chart, that's not overextended. We had a beautiful pullback. We pulled back 50%. On the weekly, on the daily, like, get the fuck out of here. Oh, it's overextended on the daily. Like, what do you mean it's overextended? It's still pushing. I love the word overextended. Oh, it's so overextended. The only time that I would say something like I'm worried about something being overextended is maybe on the smaller time frames. But, like, you're sitting there, oh, the daily's overextended. Like, okay, well, it can just keep going higher and higher. I'm so focused right now. I'm like, fuck, it's like the Matrix. All I see is just numbers everywhere. Everywhere. I have 3 screens, but there's just numbers everywhere. I just see it. I see everything everywhere. Bro, you've already been invalidated. You said earlier we were going to dump. It's been invalidated. Your whole entire plan was invalidated when we held the VWAP. So just shut the fuck up now. Like, just go ahead and shut up. I don't want to hear, hey, wait till it dumps. No, your fucking plan is invalidated. You were saying we were going to dump when we were down here at the 85s. So now we're at 97. Where are you at? You still short? Get the fuck out. Talking shit. It's easy to sit around and be like, oh, I told you. No, get the fuck out. Got no time for this shit. People are so funny on YouTube. Like, well, it's gonna crash. No, get the fuck out of here. I mean, we didn't break below the VWAP. We fucking held the VWAP so perfectly. Look at this thing. I mean, did you? Come on. We held the VWAP perfectly. We had that fair value gap holding. I mean, the whole setup was just right there. I mean, come on. Anybody that was bearish on this move down, you're an idiot. I'm telling you right now. Straight up. You can cancel me all you want. Tell YouTube that I said you're an idiot, but you're an idiot. Now the thing is, okay, we get stuck at 4,000. Yeah, maybe we pull back. I can see that happening, but I mean, there's definitely no reason to be shorting on this pullback to the 80s. There's just no reason. Trying to get this break over the 4,000s here. We held. Let's just kind of recap really quickly what we were looking at for that bounce off the VWAP, how beautifully that played out. Everyone was talking about being short. We saw that fair value gap. We had the VWAP right there. We were waiting for that push back up with the MACD. Now we're looking for this push over the 4,000s. We have that high right now, trying to get over that. So just kind of waiting to see if we can get that squeeze through there. We got the pivots. I mean, everything. We got that pivot right there. We got above. I've been pretty confident that we're going to get this break over 4,000 for the last fucking 2 hours. So I just want to get it happening here, and then I can be done. Walk away. You guys are all bastards. You're all bastards. All of you. Stopping me from living my dreams. Are we gonna go, baby? Are we gonna go? 4,000. Am I the best YouTuber on YouTube? He's the best! He's the best! I just want to thank everybody out there, all the little people, everybody that told me that that we were gonna have a major correction today, that the world was gonna end and we would never go higher. Well, there it is, over $4,000. Patrick Wieland. Woo, we caught it live on the stream. I'm out of breath. I'm dying right now. I'm hurting. I'm in the green. We're up. We're up big, 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 big on the day. It's one of those days. We're making the money. We're having the fun. And we're doing it all live right here on YouTube. If you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, you know what to do. There's that break over 4,000. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. I'm bowing out. I'm bowing out. I'm bowing out. I'm bowing out. He's number one. He's number one. He's number one. He's number one. All right. I'm like literally done now. I'm closing it out. I'm over it. We got the break over 4,000. Patrick Wieland, obviously the best trader on YouTube. It's written in stone now. Nobody can even contest it. Nobody can even contest these results. These are the most solid, in the stone, in the rock, in the fucking world of trading. Number one trader, done. Patrick Wieland, he's out. He's over. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It's done. All right. So on that note, again, big thank you. I will be tuning out now. I am finally over it. I'm going to the gym. I'm going to enjoy my life now. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below, you know what to do. I will see you guys Tuesday next week. The market's closed on Monday. Futures will be open, but I'm not going to try to trade it. I think I'm just going to take a 3-day weekend. I might go, maybe, I don't know. I'm three-day weekend. Enjoy it. Have fun. We've had fun. We did it live on YouTube now for about 3 hours and 45 minutes, calling the moves beautifully today. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, you know what to do. I'll see you guys next Tuesday morning, 9:15 a.m. Thank you very much. And on that note, I just want to thank all the little people out there, all you guys for your support. It's been a fun week. It's Friday, Freshcast Friday. We're doing it right here. And I'll see you guys next Tuesday. Peace to the Middle East.